Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The molecule is CH3, CH3, which consists of two carbonyl, C is equal to O, groups connected to each other, with methyl groups on each end. This gives a 4-carbon chain. Moving on to the next step. Identify the parent chain. The longest carbon chain contains 4 carbons, C1, CH3, C2 is equal to O, C3 is equal to O, C4, CH3. The parent chain is butane. Moving on to the next step. Identify the functional groups. There are 2 ketone, C is equal to O, groups. The suffix for 2 ketone groups is dione. And for the final step, number the chain. The carbonyl groups are at positions 2 and 3. Numbering from either end gives the same result, positions 2 and 3. So the compound is butane 2,3 dione. Eliminate incorrect options. A. Butane 2,3 diol. Diol refers to 2 aldehyde groups, not ketone groups. Incorrect. B. Butane 1,3 dione. Positions 1 and 3 would place 1 carbonyl at the terminal carbon, which would be an aldehyde, not a ketone. Incorrect. D. 1,2-dimethylethanidiene. This incorrectly names the compound as an ethanidiene with methyl substituents. The correct approach is to include all carbons in the parent chain, giving butane, not ethane with substituents. Incorrect. C. Butane 2,3 dione. Correct parent chain, butane. Correct suffix, dione. Correct locants, 2 and 3. This is the IUPAC name. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.